The farther you drive from the city, the quieter everything gets. Traffic fades, cell service drops, and the road starts to climb. Every turn pulls you deeper into the mountains, past pine trees, open sky, and views that make you slow down, even if you don't mean to. This is the road to Big Bear Lake, California. You don't know exactly what the weekend will bring, but you know it's going to be worth it. More space, cooler air, a break from routine, and as the mountains close in around you, it feels like the adventure has already started. Welcome to Big Bear Lake. This is 2.5 hours from our home in San Diego. We had a very beautiful drive in the mountains, and now we're just gonna explore the Big Bear village. It's only slightly chilly, about 12 degrees Celsius, 55 Fahrenheit. All right, we parked our car at the visitor center, and now we are entering Big Bear Village. So let's go take a stroll and see how this place is like.
Here on Thanksgiving Day, and unlike the stories we heard, luckily it is not crowded at all. So look at this, and the architecture is so cute. It looks like a German village. Really pretty. So today was supposed to be a very grey day without sun. Look at this. It's like a beautiful fall day. I can't believe it's amazing.
And all the trees have these fall colors, which is like yellow, orangish. Pretty beautiful. So we have made our way to the Pine Knot Trail. It's about 5 minutes from the Big Bear Village, and it's surrounded by all these beautiful pine trees. There is a little bit of snow, but mostly it is super sunny.
I leave what's left of last night behind, and I need to get some.
The hike was refreshing with breathtaking views of the Big Bear Lake and more than a touch of snow along the way.
Peace of mind. I know where to find it is by the end of the road. So I walk.
We spent the evening at the local arcade, devoured amazing Indian food, and just took a stroll along the beautiful streets in the center full of Christmas lights.
As I walk, and I keep on walking till I'm at the end of the road. I walk until my feet are hurting, and I need to keep on going further.
Right here in the heart of Big Bear, we found an incredibly fun place to spend the day. From alpine slides and speed runs in the summer to snow tubing and winter rides when the hills are covered with snow, Magic Mountain was wonderful. It's the kind of place that brings out your inner kid. And of course, we took full advantage. mountain at Big Bear Lake. We already did the alpine ride and now we are going on the alpine slide. You can see it here. Woo! And then we're gonna go for some snow tubing.
All the way forward 2 feet. All the way back to your chest.
All right, here we go. Oh, this is so fun. Nice little That was awesome. Amazing. There comes Ivanka. Thanksgiving weekend in Big Bear already feels like Christmas. The city center is covered in holiday lights with decorated trees along the streets and storefronts dressed up for the season. Christmas music and carols play as people walk through the area, families stop to take photos and kids watch the lights and displays. Shops are busy, cafes are full and everything feels lively, even before December. If you're in Big Bear during Thanksgiving, this is when the holiday season really starts. Good morning everyone, welcome to the beautiful Boulder Bay Park in Big Bear Lake. Today is our last day, so we are just gonna chill in this park for a while and then head back home. What a beautiful pier. They actually do have boulders here, right in the center of this bay. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. We had an amazing weekend here in Big Bear Lake. Thanksgiving, everyone told us is going to be a very busy time. It was sort of busy, but it was not too bad. We would say you should definitely come here. The weather has been absolutely awesome. We just had an incredible weekend over here.
So don't forget, like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next videos of Incredible Mexico.